Hello children, this is your teacher Minal Pereira. Let's start with the second term reduced syllabus of 9th science, that is from lesson number 11 onwards. Okay, go to lesson number 11, page number 115. Let's begin. Okay, first part of the lesson, can you recall? Please cancel. Then introduction to scientist, please cancel. Go to next page, page 116. Can you tell? Cancel that. Then next page, page 117. This full experiment you cancel. Then page 118, everything is there. 119, 120, 121, 122, everything is there. Now page 123, try this, you cancel. Then next 124, everything is there. Now come to page 125. Use of concave mirror, you please cancel that. This and uses of convex mirror, you cancel. Okay. Then this lesson, always remember, that is on page 127. Please cancel that. Okay. Now going to lesson number 12, study of sound. Now here page 128, cancel research. Page 129, velocity of sound. This full experiment you cancel. Then come to page 130, a peep into past, you cancel. Then page 131, uses of ultrasonic sound and reflection of sound, you please cancel. Okay, then page 132, use your brain power, science in the surrounding, and this compare the two cities, you cancel. Okay, then page 133, use your brain power, you cancel. Page 134, find out and always remember, you cancel. Then page 135, always remember, you cancel. Okay, then this lesson also over. Moving to next lesson. Sorry, 1 minute. Lesson number 13, carbon, an important element. Okay, this lesson, can you recall, you cancel, and try this, you cancel. Then next move to page 139, introduction to scientist and science capsule, you cancel. Then next page 140, a peep into past, you cancel. Page 141, this full experiment, try this, you cancel. Page 142, everything is there. Page 143, page 144, use your brain power and try this, you cancel. And again this, try this, you cancel. Then page 145, this full experiment, you cancel. Okay, then here use your brain power also, you cancel. Okay, then next going to page 148, using ICT, you cancel. So this lesson is also over. Now coming to lesson number 14, substances in common use. Can you recall and classify, you cancel. Do you know? Then try this, you please cancel. This is on page 150. Moving further to page 151, do you know, you cancel. Page 152, research, you cancel. Page 152, find out, you cancel. Then moving further, sorry, what's wrong with this phone is also bored of marking, I think. Okay, then next we go to further page 155, an introduction to scientist, you cancel. And this also an introduction to scientist, you cancel, page 155. Then next 156, this full box, natural radioactivity and artificial radioactive elements, you cancel. Then radioactive isotopes, this full yellow paragraph from page 157, you cancel. Then moving further to page 158, always remember, you cancel. Okay, but remember this, children, for your future life, because artificial food colors are dangerous for you, so avoid eating that. Then moving further to page 159, find out and try this, you cancel. Page 160, can you tell, cancel. Page 161, this is how ceramic article made, you cancel. Okay, so this lesson is over. Now coming to lesson number 15, life process. Okay, very important lesson. Okay, so here, do you know on page 165 you cancel, then always remember you cancel. Then moving further to page 167, everything is there. 168, yes, use your brain power, you cancel. Then moving to page 169, do you know you cancel. Then 170 also, do you know you cancel. Then page 171, everything is there. Page 172, can you tell, cancel. Then page 173, you keep as it is. Page 174, find out, you cancel. Okay. Then next moving to page 175, everything. 176, everything. 177, everything. Okay. Then moving further, this lesson is also over. Then we go to lesson number 16, heredity and variation. Here come to directly to page 180, find out is cancel. Okay. Then go to page 182, page 182, everything. Page 183, seeds of technology, you cancel. Then page 184, an introduction to scientist, you cancel. Page 1, this everything is there. Yes, now come to page 187. Okay, this use your brain power, you cancel. So basically from all lesson, use your brain power is cancelled so that you can use your brain in 10th standard. Okay, brain, very important. Then coming to page 190, this do you know also, you cancel. Then moving further, everything is there. This lesson again is an important one. Okay, now going further to lesson number 17, biotechnology lesson. Here come to page 195. Page 195, do you know, you cancel. Then moving this all your tissues, these are very important. Then come to page number 198, everything is there. 199, yes, page 199, try this, you cancel. Then this all is there. Page 200, this all is there, it is important. Okay, then come to page 203, this introduction to scientist part, you cancel. Okay, 203. Now moving further, 204, find out, you cancel. Then 205, using ICT. 206, find out, you cancel. Then coming to the last lesson, observing telescope, starting from page 209, page 20, come to page 211, you cancel this box. Okay, then come to page 213, these two boxes you cancel. Okay, so that's it for your second term syllabus. Thank you.